The OrCAD X 25.1 release is packed with powerful new features designed to streamline your process. We're tackling high-speed design with more precision, and the new import pin delay option helps you account for the internal delay from IC silicon to the pad. Simply enable pin delay in the analysis mode and import your manufacturer's data directly. No more manual entry, just a quick import, and your timing constraints are instantly updated, giving you a true picture of your signal propagation. With our new InDesign pad editing feature, you can modify pads directly on the canvas. Select a pin, and the Properties panel gives you an instant preview and editing access. Change the shape, adjust the size, or launch a full editor right inside your design. Changes are applied instantly, keeping you in the flow and focused on your layout. We're also bringing more creative and practical tools to your fingertips. Add clarity and polish to your designs with support for true type fonts. But the real game changer is the new copy-paste layout feature. Copy complex, multi-layer routing from one design or one area of a design and paste it into another. You have full control to remap layers, making design reuse and block implementation faster than ever. And for those working with high-speed interfaces, setting up differential pairs is now effortless. The new Auto-Define Differential Pairs tool intelligently scans your net names based on your chosen suffixes. Just select your naming standard and let OrCAD X do the work. It automatically creates the pairs so you can start routing immediately with perfect coupling. More precision, faster edits, and smarter automation. These are just a few of the updates in OrCAD X 25.1 designed to accelerate your innovation.